Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix it when Steam gives the error that Steam isn't running in the background when opening a Steam game. It's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now, as you can see here, we have Steam open. Make sure that Steam is fully closed, so go down to the right corner of the screen, show the hidden icons, find the Steam icon, right click it and press exit Steam. Now from out there, what we want to do next is go to the search bar and type in the Windows security. Make sure to check that the firewall of Windows isn't interfering with your Steam process. So check all the tabs to see if the firewall is in Steam. Now here we have the Steam application. What you want to do, you want to check if the beta process is running. So go to the top left corner where Steam appears, hover over to the settings, and inside the settings we're going to the interface tab. Now here you want to look for the client beta participation and make sure that no beta is chosen. Now let's say the game you are trying to run is Rust, just for example. What you want to do, you want to right click it, head down to the properties, and from out there you want to go to the installed files. Now here we're going to verify the game files. We're going to check the integrity to see if there's any corrupted files. So simply press verify integrity of game files, press yes, and Steam will automatically check if there's any faulty files. Now we can close down Steam. What we want to do next is make sure that Steam itself isn't the problem. So simply go to the search bar right here, go to add or remove programs, and from here type in Steam. Now here you want to go to the three dots, press uninstall, and once you've uninstalled it and you want to reinstall it, make sure to reinstall it on a different drive to check if there's nothing wrong with your drive interfering with the Steam process. Now if you have taken all these steps, make sure to restart Steam and check if the error is gone. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.